Hello and welcome to an episode of LunaLua for Super Mario Bros. X. This is Dan Richards and this will be the first upload for this channel. So, I recently discovered LunaLua during last weekend and I felt like dabbling into it. So, at the moment I have attempted to create a double jump power-up, which will, if you collect the super mushroom, it will give you 2 jumps, which you can use as a double jump pretty much. So, before showing it off, I haven't tested this yet, so this is a completely fresh experience for both of us, or all of us. Before that, I will explain to you how the code works, and then afterwards, we will see if what I've written will work at all. So, basically, I have a jump counter set to 1. So, at the moment, that will mean that you can only jump once. So, for this first loop, if your power-up is set to the Super Mushroom state, it will increase your jump counter by 1, thereby giving you a double jump. And for the next function, if you have the jump key pressed, this can be set to any key, depending on how you've configured the controls in the game. So if you press the jump key and you're in that Super Mushroom power-up state, and you have a jump count more than 0, your Y coordinate speed will go up by -10. So it should give you enough speed for a double jump. And it will decrease the jump counter by 1. So each time you jump, it will decrease that counter by 1. So once you reach 0, you won't be able to jump anymore. And the last function loop basically describes the, if you land on the ground, it will reset your jump count. And if you have that Super Mushroom power, it will reset it to 2 jumps, thereby giving you another set of double jumps. And if you do not have that power, it resets to 1. So you can only jump once without that power-up. So without further ado, let's go and test that. Yippee! Okay, we're in the engine, so let's go and test it. At the moment I'm pressing the jump button twice with the regular power-up, so it doesn't perform a double jump. So if we go over to the mushroom, let's go and test and see if that works. Okay, so as you can see, when I'm in the air, I am double jumping. So if we can test if that only works with that power-up by going into one of these other power-ups. I accidentally collected 2 by mistake. So as you can see with the fire flower, he can't jump more than once. And with the raccoon leaf, you can hover, but that's of course just a regular characteristic of the power-up. And with the tanuki, you can hover again, but that's again one of the characteristics of the power-up. And with the hammer suit, you can't jump more than once. So it seems that the code has worked. So that's the end of the first episode of LunaLua for Super Mario Bros. X on this channel, and hopefully I'll see you again with some more power-ups. Bye-bye.